You how to trim a video in CapCut on. First, open the CapCut, launch the CapCut app, and simply import the video. And after that, click on the import button to select and import the video you want to trim the CapCut timeline. Once you import it, what you have to do is the video will appear on the CapCut. Simply on the bottom, you can see. Simply move the playhead, the vertical line on the timeline to point where you want to start trimming the video, just like this. And after you're done, preview the trimmed video, you can simply click the play button to preview the trimmed video and make sure it looks the way you want it. And after you're done, you can simply export the settings on the top right corner. We could see the download option, tap on there, and now it's exporting. And that's it. You have successfully trimmed a video in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.